Hey everyone, and welcome to Gardening with Ben. In today's video we're going to be planting mint. Now I bought these plants pretty cheap and we need to get them planted so that they get established and get growing. However, with mint it is advised not to plant it in the ground because it does take over and it can grow absolutely mental. So the best thing to do is grow them in plant pots. Now I've been out and bought some plant pots for these to go in. Just nice, decent sized small ones. Should get enough mint on them and hopefully they will bush out. But the thing is that you've got to remember is you need to put some holes in the bottom of them for drainage, as they don't often come with holes. They usually give you the place where to put the holes where it's the thinnest. So yeah, just drill some holes in the bottom of them to grow. So let's show you what mint we have purchased. We bought 5 varieties. There's loads of varieties of mint out there if you're not aware. Not just the normal mint, there's different smelling mints out there to try. So we have got a apple mint. This one smells of apple. It's going to smell gorgeous down here on my allotment. But yeah, nice healthy plants. Bought them pretty cheap and they should take and hopefully get growing fast. Then we've got a chocolate mint. So if you like chocolate, get one of this one because it'll smell gorgeous. Ooh, it smells like after 8 minutes. That's what it smells like. So another gorgeous one. Then we've got a Moroccan mint. This one probably is one of my favourite ones. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Then we have got a pineapple mint. Yeah, pineapple. Lots of different flavours out there to try. But yeah, gorgeous. And then we've got an orange flavoured one. So a nice variety of selection of mints to try. There's also a spearmint flavour one out there, but that wasn't available in my shop, so I might have to try and find that one and order it, because the spearmint one again is another gorgeous one to try. So we best drill the holes in the plant pots, get them planted up, get them watered and find somewhere to put them. You don't want to generally put them near one another as the smells can transfer between the plants, so you're probably best off like separating them and having them in different places when putting them outside. So yeah, let's get these plant pots drilled and let's get them filled up with compost. So as you can see, I've put loads and loads of holes in there so that there's plenty of drainage for them and they won't get waterlogged. So yeah, we just need to fill them with compost now and get them ready to plant. We're going to be using Miracle Grow peat free, as obviously there's food in it and it's peat free, so that's the best thing to use. Peat free compost. So let's get them filled up with compost ready to plant. So we've got these filled up. Yes, we've got a small pink one, but they didn't have 5 in the supermarket of this size, so I've had to use one of these ones for the time being until we can get one that matches these ones. But oh well, we've got a nice one there. But yeah, let's get these potted up into the plant pots and then get them all watered. So we've got all them potted up. We've got them with his labels in as well. That one didn't come with a label, but I know that's apple mint, so yeah. Let's find somewhere to put them and then get them watered. So we popped them outside for the time being, just around where we sit, so that they'll smell nice and hopefully grow pretty well. But yeah, we've got lavender in here as well, so hopefully it'll smell really nice around here come summertime. I can't wait to see how they all turn out and hopefully grow. So I hope you've enjoyed that video. Make sure you do drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.